Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Ronald, and in this tutorial I would like to show you how to deploy appsmith and self-host that on your own server. So appsmith is some application to do custom application development. You can get like data from any source and put that all together with a certain type of UI and mix and match all kinds of things with each other. I think it's pretty cool. I played a little bit around with it, combining it with base row. So yeah, let's get into this. So we're going to be using Coolify for this. So we go to Coolify. I'm using the Coolify cloud for this tutorial. So I'll be selecting the project, hit production, add new resource, and right over here in the services I'll be selecting appsmith. I select the server where I want it to be. Standalone Docker, and over here I like to keep this the name as it is, and I like to put this on a custom subdomain, https appsmith. Hit save. We're going to add this a record in Cloudflare. Adding in the IPv4 address from the Hetzner server cloud that I have over here. So copy this one and add this over here. Turn off the proxy, put it to 1 minute, hit save. And back in Coolify, I just hit save again and I hit deploy. Okay, so I hit close and go back. I'll wait this to turn green, open application, and we're gonna wait a little bit for this. And there it is. So it says welcome, almost there, set up the account, hit continue, get started, and you can start connecting your data sources. For now I'll be skipping this. And there we go, we have appsmith deployed on our own server, self-hosted. So yeah, that's how you do it. I hope you've been able to follow along this tutorial. Thank you for your time and have a great day. Alright, bye.